how to add affiliate links to Instagram posts. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can add affiliate links to your Instagram posts and how you can market them. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over here on Instagram and log in. And once you log in, I want you guys to just simply make an account and start promoting it. So what I want you guys to do is simply want you to get your own affiliate marketing program. So let's just assume that this is my affiliate link. Let's just assume that this is the product that you are trying to make. What you have to do is you have to copy this affiliate link down below. Now, as you can see, it's a pretty long link and it doesn't look really nice. So what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to shorten this link. Now, to shorten this link, what I would recommend is just simply copying this link and going over to Bitly. Now over here, create a new Bitly account. Once you have signed up, create a new Bitly account. Once you have that, for personal use for both, let me just go ahead and sign up onto this website and then I will tell you. Let me just go ahead and skip that for now. So let's just assume that this is our site, and over here let's go ahead and create our first link. So cancel this. So enter in the long link. Let's paste this link over here. So once that is done, we can get the UTM parameter options. UTMs can help you track your website traffic. So over here, just simply enter in sources, medium, and campaign. So let's go ahead and enter in Google. And over here, let's enter in CPC. And over here, we just add in sales. And once that is done, all we have to do is simply click on create, and our link has been created. As you can see, this is our link. So over here, this is our link right over here. All we have to do is just simply copy it. Now we have copied this link. Now we have our link. So what I wanted to show you guys is this page right here. It's called Psych Opinion, and over here, as you can see, they have almost 500,000 followers and they're pretty good. So they're motivational and inspirational quotes type of page, and as you can see, they post quite a lot of inspirational posts. And what I want to show you guys is down below. As you can see down below, this is where they have put their affiliate link. They basically put their website, but it's the same thing. And over here, as you can see, this is a Bitly link, and they're also using Bitly to promote their products. And if we click on this link, it'll take us to their website or their product that they're trying to promote. And same goes for this channel as well, which is called mental.aspect. They also have this same link. So as you can see, and once you have built a following, then you can start promoting your link. So to build a following, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is make some posts like these, inspirational posts, some quotes, and then just simply enter in some different hashtags that are really popular, and then just simply upload them onto Instagram. I'm using Instagram on my computer, so I can't really see hashtags. Otherwise, okay, so over here, as you can see, these are the hashtags. I thought I couldn't see, but I guess I can. So as you can see, these are all the hashtags. What we have to do is we'll just simply copy all these hashtags and make a post like this, and then just simply upload them. And that way, whenever someone is searching for something like this that are related to these hashtags, this post will pop up to them in their search section, and then they can like that post, and slowly but surely we'll gather a following, and then we can start promoting our product and start getting affiliates into our program and start earning money. Now the question is, how do you basically make these posts? So to make these posts, it's really easy. Like, I'm going to show you in just a second. So to make this post, it's really easy. All you got to do is come over to canva.com. That's right, guys. So once you're over here, just simply come over here and click on social media. And once you're over here, you can see Instagram post 1080 by 1080. So let's go ahead and click on this Instagram post over here. So as you can see, this is the post right here. Now I can't really change the dimensions of it for some reason. I don't understand. But what we basically are here to do, let me just go back and see if I can find something else. So Instagram stories, yeah, let's go with this one, because over here it's 10 by 9. That is the aspect ratio we're looking for. So let's go with Instagram stories. And over here, as you can see, this is blank, and what we need to do is we need to search for some motivational quotes, right? So let's take a look at this. So what is this? So it's some different pictures with some pretty good quotes on it, and we can go ahead like this picture right here, or this picture right here, and this picture right here, like it's just a picture of a sky with a rainbow on it, and there's some letters over there. It looks really nice. So let's go with that one. Okay, where were we? Yeah, let's go with that one. So let's go ahead and search for rainbow. So when we search for rainbow, as you can see, we have quite a lot of different posts, but let's filter them out, shall we? Okay, we don't have any filters. Let's go with gray. Do we have any gray rainbows? Unfortunately not. Dark rainbows. Okay, so we have a couple of different of them. Let's just try to choose which one would look pretty good. Okay, so we can't find rainbows. Let's search for scenery. So these are pro templates, so we can't really find them. Let's search for beaches. Yeah, beaches look good. So when we search for beaches, as you can see, we have quite a lot of different stories. So we'll go with something that looks really nice, like this one over here, like this post over here. This is just a single man in the middle of the ocean, and he has nowhere to see. So what we can do is we can basically, add a nice little quote over here, some filters over here, some different text elements, and some stars, and make it look really good, such as this one over here. Actually, let's go with this one, but it's a pro version. Thought it would look pretty cool. Or this one, actually, let's go with this one. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead, and all we got to do is just change this text up a little bit and add a nice quote, and we have our post ready. So now you must be thinking where you can find quotes. Now if you already know a few quotes, you can go ahead and use them, but if you don't know where to find quotes, this is the website that I use. It's called Brain Quotes. Now let me just go back over here. As you can see, we have quite a lot of different posts over here. So we have motivational posts, we have inspirational topics, attitude topics, life success, and stuff like that. So let's go with success, and over here, as you can see, we have quite a lot of different quotes over here. Let's choose this one over here, or something smaller. Let's go with this one. Success is independent on effort. So this would look pretty nice. So let's go ahead and copy this one and go back over here on Canva, and then just simply paste it. So this is how it will look like. Let me just resize it up a little bit so that we can fit it. So okay, yeah, that looks pretty nice. So all we got to do is just adjust it somewhere else, and boom, there we go. Now that is basically it. Now all we got to do is simply download it and just simply upload it onto our Facebook account. Once we make that, copy the hashtag of these successful pages on Instagram, and boom, that is basically it. Slowly but surely we'll start to gain different followings, start to gain some affiliates, throw our affiliate link in our website in the description and underneath our posts, and then we can start earning money. So that is how we basically, add our affiliate links underneath our posts, underneath Instagram posts. And let me just go ahead and show you. So if I click over here, let me first download this post, actually. So let me just download him over here. No, don't download it as a PNG. Let me just go ahead and download it as a JPEG over here. Click on download. So wait a couple of seconds for it to download, and once it's downloaded, all we got to do is save it. And once it's saved, let's go back over here, click on, let me just go ahead and copy the posts. Let me just go ahead and copy different posts. Let me just copy these hashtags real quick. And now that we have one, let's go ahead and create our post. Select from computer. Yeah, this one over here. And zoom out a little bit. No, this is not right. So zoom. So okay, so this is, I think, how it is going to be. So I think, yeah, that looks pretty good. So click on next. Okay, we can add different filters as well. Let me just go ahead and add something that will look really nice. So this one looks pretty dark, this one looks really weird, so we'll keep the original and click on next. And then over here we can write a cool caption. Over here we can write the same words that we have over here, and then we can tag different peoples as well, and then we can add locations, and then we can add other things as well, and then we can also add these captions as well, and then just simply click on share, and that is basically it. That is how we add different that is how we add different posts on Instagram, and how we, add our affiliate links underneath our Instagram posts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.